Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Industry Specific and click on Office Administration. Go to Process and then to Administration Document and click on Document Index. Click on this year to show up the details of Document Index. Navigate to Create New Document to create administration documents. Select Internal Verifier given in the list. And also select Viewable Person given in the list. Select the department as required. You can write Policy Update of department you selected in the subject section. You can also add another subject by clicking on Add New button. Define the purpose of adding new subject in the description box. Navigate to Submit option and click on Save and Index. After creating new document, you can set the verification pattern by clicking on Set Verification icon. And now click on Update Sequence. You can also print document by clicking on Print button and print according to your company requirement.